The tall ships race is a race, but more important than winning is the style and spirit in which you compete. But nonetheless, the girls on the Malcolm Miller would like to beat the boys on the Churchill. After the feverish activity of the start, suddenly it's all peace, calm and tranquility. Ahead of them lie 5 days of sailing. Even in good weather, it's a tough test, both of the youngsters' physical capabilities and also their ability to get on with each other. 55 people living on a ship 150 feet long doesn't leave a lot of spare space.
Main watch, come up, set foregaff topsail.
Then they go out. A lot of them probably haven't worked very hard. It is hard work. You pull on a bit of string. The ship is designed to be inefficient. It takes 10 girls to put a sail up, but it's made that way. After about 3 or 4 days, the girls, in fact, click onto it a lot quicker than the boys. They get into the fact that if they pull together, then the sail will go up quicker, more efficiently. They get this far quicker than the boys. The boys are usually 10 individuals until about a week. The girls pick it up in about 3 or 4 days.
Would you say that girls are more difficult as a crew than boys?
Not really. They like to talk a lot. In fact, after about 3 or 4 days, if you poke your head up on the bridge, it's like an aviary.
Matthew Wilshire is 16, aiming for a university place and a career in engineering. Mark Bucknell is 19, an old Etonian who's training with a firm of stockbrokers. Samantha Newell is 16 and going into catering and hotel keeping. Karen Bullock is 20 and a policewoman, and she's a real character.
Lookout. Is that you? Isn't it talking? 013.
On Friday morning, the Sir Winston Churchill approaches the finish line off Lisbon.
Okay.
012.
It was 040834 seconds. Zulu.
011. Time. Clear.
050834 Zulu.
The Churchill has beaten the Miller and finished third in her class. The race is over. Now it's time for relaxation. That night there's a barbecue at Sesimbra, just down the coast from Lisbon. Young people from all over the world meeting together and forming friendships that may last a lifetime. The grand parade through the streets of this magnificent old seaport. Every ship in the race is represented.